Hi, I'm Rahul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, आज हम माई चाइल्डहुड चैप्टर के बारे में बात करेंगे एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट यू द समरी ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड विच इज फ्रॉम बिहाइंड बुक ऑफ क्लास 9th as chapter number 6. My childhood, that is an extract, and this is taken from the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire. सो ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट है ये विंग्स ऑफ फायर से लिया गया है एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम के. एंड वी एवरीवन नो दैट एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम वाज द ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट एंड ही वाज आल्सो द 14th president of India. So guys, here we are going to talk about that how was the child of APJ Abdul Kalam. So he was born in middle class family and in 1931 it was in the island town of what do you call that, रामेश्वरम में उनका जन्म हुआ था. इट वॉज इन तमिलनाडु एंड इन हिज चाइल्डहुड ही वॉज ग्रेटली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय हिज पेरेंट्स, सो हिज टीचर्स एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स. हिज फादर जैनुलाब्दीन एंड that was he was not highly educated but he was a very generous and very kind person. And guys, I want to tell you that his father was not very rich but provided a secure childhood. अब्दुल कलाम को एक सिक्योर चाइल्डहुड वो प्रोवाइड किए थे. हालांकि वो बहुत ज्यादा रिच नहीं थे उनके फादर जैनुलाब्दीन, एंड बट ही वाज वेरी जेनरस एंड वेरी ऑनेस्ट गाय. सो he guys, Abdul inherited honesty and self discipline from his father and faith in goodness. उनको वो इनहेरिटेड मिला किए अपने फादर से, जो कि सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन और ऑनेस्टी जैसा कि उनके फादर थे. एंड यू नो हिज मदर वॉज वेरी काइंड लेडी. यू नो Kalam earned his first wages by working as a helping hand of his cousin, whose name was Samsuddin, and who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram. And you know, it was the time of Second World War, where they used to sell the newspapers in the train, on the platform, and on different places in Rameshwaram. Guys, कलाम जब अपने बचपन में क्या करते थे कि उनके 3 क्लोज फ्रेंड्स थे, उनके 3 दोस्त थे, और देवर रामानंद शास्त्री, अरविंदन एंड शिव प्रकाशन. और एक बार की ये घटना है, इट्स द इवेंट ऑफ वंस देयर स्टडिंग इन स्कूल की देयर इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड में जब वो पढ़ते थे तो एक न्यू टीचर आए थे स्कूल में. And they were sitting together in the class. So once the teacher asked him not to sit there in the front row along with the high caste Brahmin boys. तो अब्दुल कलाम को बोला गया कि आप इन ब्राह्मण बॉयज के साथ फ्रंट रो में नहीं बैठ सकते because you belong to the Muslim religion. Abdul found Ramanand Shastri weeping as he went to the last row. And this made a lasting impression on Abdul. Abdul को बहुत everybody, either Ramanand or Arvindan or Shiv Prakashan, they all felt about it. And you know, उन लोगों ने जाकर के complain किया, और complain करने के बाद the father of Ramanand Shastri, he visited to the school and where he threatened to their teacher that not to spread such type of communal intolerance and the discrimination on the basis of religion among children. So after that everything was normal. And once you know, Abdul was also greatly influenced by his science teacher who was Shiv Subramaniam Iyer, जिनका नाम साइंस टीचर का था जो कि स्कूल में पढ़ाते थे, and his name was Shiv Subramania Iyer. And he learned the lesson of breaking social barriers from him. और एक बार अय्यर ने क्या किया कि कलाम साहब को इनवाइटेड किया अपने घर में डिनर के लिए. एंड हिज वाइफ रिफ्यूज टू सर्व अब्दुल कलाम इन द किचन एंड शी टोल्ड दैट नो, अब्दुल बिलोंग्स टू द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी, अब्दुल बिलोंग्स टू द मुस्लिम रिलीजन, so we are not going to serve him in the kitchen. उसके बाद अय्यर ने खुद अपने हाथों से भोजन परोसा और अब्दुल कलाम को खाना खिलाया. एंड ही कन्विंस हिज वाइफ. हियर Subramanya Iyer, he convinced his wife to serve meal with her own hands and thus was successful in changing her conservative attitude. और अगले दिन फिर से बुलाया गया और बाद में जब उनकी वाइफ को कन्विंस करने के बाद में वाइफ ऑफ अय्यर सी वाज जस्ट चेंज एंड सी सर्व द मील एंड विथ हर हैंड्स टू अब्दुल कलाम इन द किचन नेक्स्ट टाइम. गाइज अब्दुल कलाम जो थे वो फॉर हायर एजुकेशन ही सॉट परमिशन फ्रॉम हिज फादर टू लिव रामेश्वरम एंड स्टडी एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर्स एंड इट वाज रामानाथपुरम. ओके, वो हायर स्टडी के लिए रामानाथपुरम जाना चाहते थे. सो ही वांटेड टू टेक द परमिशन फ्रॉम द फादर. वो अपने फादर से परमिशन सोचे कि ले लें. और उसके बाद हिज फादर सेड दैट अब्दुल had to go a long way in life just like a seagull bird. Seagull bird is the bird that lives near in the sea and which flies long distance, जो कि लंबे दूरी तक उड़ते रहते हैं. एंड उनके फादर बताया कि तुमको बहुत दूर जाना है बेटा, यू हैव टू गो जस्ट लॉन्ग लाइफ देयर. एंड ही calmed down APJ's reluctant mother by quoting खलील गिब्रान्स पोएम योर चिल्ड्रेन. और उन्होंने he said that her children could not be dominated by her because they had their own thoughts and they did not belong to her but were a result of life's desire for itself, and he asked her to give them freedom to fulfill their. अब्दुल कलाम की जो माँ थी, she was nervous and she did not allow him to go there outside for higher studies, but Abdul Kalam father he convinced her, he motivated her by telling the poem जो कि लिखा गया था खलील गिब्रान के द्वारा. और उसके बाद मदर अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड कलाम he had gone for the higher studies. So thank you. It was the summary of my childhood written by APJ. It is the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam, we can say. That is the extract which is taken from Kalam book Wings of Fire. Now I want to discuss two important questions from the exam point of view. So guys, here first question is, where was Kalam's house? So we can say Abdul Kalam house was located on the Mosque Street in the town of Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu state. Okay. So who were Abdul Kalam school friends? So answer is, during his childhood Abdul Kalam had 3 friends and they were Ramanand Shastri, Arbindan and Shiv Prakashan. So third question I want to discuss that, how did Abdul Kalam earn his first wage? So Abdul Kalam earned his first wages by catching the bundle of newspaper and he used to sell that newspapers in Rameshwaram. Had he earned any money before that? So we can say when the Second World War started, there was a great demand of tamarind seed. So Kalam would collect them and sell them in the grocery store located in Mosque Street, and he would earn an anna, which was a meager sum, but for him. So here another question is, what characteristic does he say he inherited from his parents? So Kalam inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father. अपने father से उनको क्या मिला था, क्या inherited हुआ था? That was honesty and the self-discipline. So these are the questions. Thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it to get the latest videos. If you have any comment, put that in the comment box.